What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.
So guys, it's time to say goodbye mga shalak. Ayan, one more round. Shalak. Babush na. It was a very wonderful. Wonderful talaga yung stay ko dito. Napaka-pleasant. Aside all, of course, sa weather na hindi nag-cooperate. Pero, naging manageable naman siya. Very refreshing, na-relax naman ako ng sobra-sobra. Let's go to Bangkok now! Yan guys, pa-check out na tayo. Sana makaano tayo, dating tayo ng airport ng medyo maaga-aga because alas 3 yung ating flight and magto-12 na and we are 1 hour away from Da Nang International Airport. Shalak. So guys, 11:48 pa lang and I'm waiting for the car right now. Shut up! Ayan guys, paalis pa lang tayo sa Da Nang. Okay, hi! What's your name? Okay. Ayan, paalis pa lang tayo ng Hoi An. And we are like 1 hour away from the airport. Let's see our expected departure. One final glimpse. Bye-bye. Namia. Babush na. Shala. Oras na. 11:49. Let's see our grab. Oh, before 1 o'clock nandun na tayo. So, we can still relax, enjoy the lounge, mga ganyan. So, woo, shalak. So, meron pa tayong if we arrive at 1 hour, we still have like 2 hours, diba? To enjoy the lounge and everything. Hopefully, there is like fast track at the airport para hindi tayo matagalan sa immigration. Let's go na, shalak. See you at the airport. Thank you.
Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause
Yan guys, nandito na tayo sa airport. Shalak. Dumating tayo ng mga 12:47 before mag 1 o'clock. Let's go na guys para makapag-check-in na tayo. Back, shalak. Ayan, ang haba ng pila guys, Shalak. Pero business class naman tayo ngayon, so let's go na, Shalak.
Giving my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause
Ayan guys, nasa ano na tayo, check-in counter. Wala naman tayo nag-antay ng matagal. In Bangkok, I'm gonna stay there from today up until the 25th.
I go back to Manila.
Yeah, go back to Manila.
Còn bài xong cô dùm em chai góp anh ạ.
Đám thải xây
Ayan guys, bongga. Inescortan pa tayo dahil papuntang fast track. Para hindi na tayo mag-antay ng matagal. O diba, Shalak. May fast track for business class counter. Yan guys, mabilis lang tayo nakalagpas sa security. Shalak. Siguro mga 3 to 5 minutes lang yung immigration natin. Meron sila ditong dalawang lounge, the Lotus Lounge and the Vanda Lounge. Feeling ko itong Vanda Lounge is let's go here. Skytrax. Dito may elevator dito. Let's see, saan yung working kaya to? Hinanap ko dito kung asan yung pindutan. Nandito pala guys. So, Shalak. Nagmukha tuloy akong ignorante. Nakakaloka. Let's go to the 3rd floor. Shalak. Ayan. Dalawa yung lounge dito. Vanda Lounge and the Lotus Lounge. So, since we do have access sa Lotus Lounge, which is for Sky Priority Passenger, Sky Team Elite Plus, and I think business class passenger. Let's go! Shalak. Dara na. Shalak. Oh, this is the Vanda Lounge. Oh, this is the... Ooh. Dito na tayo guys. Vietnam Airlines Lounge, Lotus Lounge, Vanda Lounge. Ayan. Ang Vanda Lounge naman guys, nag-a-accept sila ng Dragon Pass, Priority Pass, mga ganyan. Piling ko maganda rin naman. But let's go and check out the Lotus Lounge.
what a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I
finally we're here at the Lotus Lounge, guys. Okay naman yung yung lounge. Enough yung food. Maganda yung ambience, hindi masyadong crowded. Maganda yung mga upuan. I mean, merong privacy. Hindi ka makikita ng iba kapag umupo ka dito. Kung gusto mong kumain, hindi crowded sa maliit na resto or food area. So, it was so nice, sobra astig in fairness. So, right now, it's already 2:30 and we will be boarding shortly. So, punta na tayo ng gate. Shala! And I will be in Bangkok. Nasa Bangkok na tayo by around 5 o'clock. So, sana nasa hotel na tayo before 7. Diba? Shala! Ayan! Dara na guys! Let's go na! Naglakad na tayo patungong gate natin. Shala! Ayan! Dami ring mga dito, mga shop dito. Sana ba yung gate 2? Gate dito eh. Gate 1 to 5. Ayun. Gate 1 to 5. Shalak. Ito pala. Ito guys. Shalak. Pak. Boarding. Gate 1 to 3. Dito guys. Oh. Dito pala. Sa paliko. There you go. Gate 1 to 3. Ayan. Nasa baba. Vietnam Airlines. Shalak. Shalak. Gate 1 to 3. Boarding gate. Nasa baba. Napaka-special naman na Shalak. Ayun. Gate 1 to 3. Baka nga boarding na eh. Boarding na ba? Ayun. Bangkok. Gate 1 to 3 to Bangkok. Ay.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause
Ayan guys, finally nakapag-board na tayo and we are on the way to Bangkok. Shalak! Ayan, may pa-welcome drink pa ang mga luparet. Shalak. Ayun. Shalak. Iba kasi yung lighting. Parang hindi ako maganda dito. Ay, masarap. Fairness. Sarap. Shalak. Kakaloka dyan. Ano na? Suran ko lang. Suran lang natin. Just put it over here. Thank you.
Oh, pati Jefford.
So everywhere stream has the
you have? Is it water?
No, I'm good. This one's good. Thank you. Shellac. Short flight lang ito guys, pero pack shellac. Amazing yung experience. Bongga yung experience guys. Anong oras mo? 3.
Board now flight to Bangkok. We're completing all flight preparation and expect to depart in a few more minutes. Thank you for attention and have a nice flight.
Thời gian bay đến sân bay quốc tế Suvarnabhumi dự định là 1 giờ và 30 phút. Kính chúc quý khách một chuyến bay tốt đẹp và trọn vẹn cảm xúc. Xin trân trọng cảm ơn. Captain Sergei Purser.
What a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go.
Because we serve the hot meal, we have 3 choices. The first one is the chicken with pork ribs. The second choice is the crab with noodle, and the last one is the pork with rice.
Pork with rice. The first one is
The first one is the chicken.
chicken, no pork.
Pork with rice we have. The
Yes.
crab with noodle and the chicken with pork ribs.
Chicken with
I suggest for you. 4, 3.
I'll just go with the first one because I don't eat pork.
Pork with rice.
Huh?
Okay.
Pork. I don't eat pork.
We have chicken and crab.
Okay, chicken.
Chicken, yes. And we also some drink. We have some non-alcohol and alcohol. Alcohol we have red wine, white wine, and non-alcohol we have fruit juice, and soft drink we have the Pepsi and 7-Up.
What do you have for fruit juice?
Then we have the orange juice and the passion fruit like the first issue.
Oh, that one is
The
good.
first one, yeah. Put some a little eye inside with the fruit.
Yeah.
I will confirm you the chickens and the passion fruit is nice.
What a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the down the highway. I can't stay, 'cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. You can pass the blame. Say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, 'cause we badly need this change. Maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. It's all I know. It's time to go. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down
chiều giờ địa phương. Nhiệt độ bên ngoài là 29 độ C. Quý khách lưu ý ngồi tại chỗ, cài chặt dây an toàn cho đến khi máy bay dừng hẳn và đèn hiệu cài dây an toàn đã tắt. Quý khách cẩn thận khi mở ngăn hành lý.
Welcome to Bangkok, mga shalak! Oh my god, I'm so excited for the Miss Universe. I will be here for the next, ano ba ngayon? Sunday? Ay, Monday pa ng next week yung alis ko dito. So, mga 7 days ako dito. Full 1 week, shalak! Darating yung friend ko sa ano pa sa 19 pa. So, I will have a full 2 days to myself. Shalak! Patungo ako ngayon sa immigration. Na-fill outan ko na yung arrival card ko, guys. So wala na akong fill outan pagkarating ko. Shalak. Dito na ako, guys, sa baggage counter. Nag-aantay ng aking baggage. Shalak. Nakalabas ako within 5 minutes. Shalak. Ang dami pang tao na nandun. Shalak. Pero dinalawa nila kasi yung immigration. Na parang entry. Tapos nakagamit ako doon sa may visa on arrival. Tapos pinapasok na lang ako. Shalak. Antay muna tayo ng nag-land kami at around 5. Nakalabas ako ng 5:10, 5:60. Nandito na ako sa baggage. Shalak.